In this video, you'll learn how to pay off your credit card using the RBC mobile app. This is a quick and convenient way to manage your balance and stay on top of your payments. Once you open the RBC app, go into your credit card account, such as your Visa or MasterCard. Alternatively, you can tap the yellow button at the bottom and select Transfer Between Accounts to complete the payment that way. Inside your credit card account, look for the Make a Payment option above your transactions and tap on it. You'll then see different payment options, including custom amount, current balance, statement balance, or minimum amount. Choose the option that works best for you. If you select custom amount, choose the account you want to pay from, such as your checking account, and enter the amount you want to pay. Make sure the payment is directed to your credit card, then tap Continue to complete the process. And that's how you can pay off your credit card using the RBC mobile app. It's a simple way to stay in control of your finances and avoid unnecessary interest. Always double-check your payment details before confirming.